Hey yo, wife made some bread in her bread maker. Something happened and it failed. Well, she got another recipe I think she's gonna use. She made some the other day though and it didn't fall and it was awesome. But anyway, chicken's loving it. They about ate all their rice from yesterday. Now they're tying in on that bread. They enjoying it. We got 4 eggs today. That's just enough. Look like I got a cloud coming up over there. I don't know if you can see it good over here with this. Look like it's fixed to maybe get a little rain, I don't know. I think we got plenty right now. But that's just my speculation. Who is that? Old grass getting big again. I mean, it ain't been for 2 days, 3 days since it's been more than this. What is it, Scooter? It's raining right on back up. And people blowing their horn about something. That's my neighbor down there. Yes, he's getting home from his mail route. Everybody getting home on this Friday evening. Got a 2-day weekend coming up. I need the boy's backyard in the morning. This kind of grew. It has grew too. Oh, Scooter. He said he don't like it when he comes out here and it rubs him underneath there when he's trying to do his business. You know what I mean? That's just Scooter. Scooter got to have everything perfect. He can't just live life naturally and live life as it comes. He got to have everything just right for him. Look at it. Uh-oh. I think he got an ant on his leg or something. What is it? I got my eggs in my... I think he's all right now. I was holding my eggs in my shirt because I forgot my basket in the house. Now he running around with something on his foot. I think take him in there and give him a bath in just a minute. About bath time. He gets a bath about every 2 or 3 days, you know, whether he needs it or not. Some days he likes it, some days he don't. Kind of like us. I have went slam over here and forgot my bucket out in the chicken yard. We can't live without that bucket. As soon as I get in the house, wife's gonna be hollering, "Where's my bucket?" All right, Pop in the Garden signing off. We'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a blessed day.